he was bobbing on. They were all, he was bobbing on.
Or you should miss. I'm right there. You're saying
He's 4.
you're second. Dog mode.
Me too.
You're sitting at that one.
I'll go give you something better to eat for lunch.
But we haven't had lunch, Mommy.
Okay, turn the gun. Here you go.
So, what was the most important rule?
You have to pump it.
Obey me. The range master must be obeyed. Second rule is you don't run around any of these ranges. If you run, you end up tripping. If you're doing archery, you can stab yourself with an arrow, or you trip and shoot the gun in a direction you're not supposed to be
I
going.
can see my bullet.
Okay?
You can? Yeah, sometimes.
Now, the third rule is your gun always points